These are oyster fossils found in the Plateau Central area of Haiti, which is located a few hundred or a couple of thousand meters above sea level in the center of Haiti. These are shells found in the rivers of that area, in the Tomon River. And I'm going a little too fast. I was able to clean some of them with acid, and you can see how they've been replaced. I mean, the original organic material has been replaced. Some of them are kind of yellowish due to not having been cleaned properly after coming from the acid. I don't know, somehow the acid leaves a yellow deposit on them, which is easily scrubbed off. Okay, I believe these, for example, were oysters. The reason is, one of those that I found has that appendage that usually attaches itself onto the shell, and the rest of the material is that exact texture. It's possible that if I cut this, I'm gonna find a pearl in there. It looks kind of like it has something in there. Okay, this too is clay replacement of something. I don't know what this shape evokes in anybody's mind, but I've found quite a few different materials in that shape, such as this one, which is clay, that one, which is hard. I mean, it's harder, it's heavier. I mean, this is probably calcium carbonate, or I don't know, limestone. And that one, which is more like quartz, milky quartz, or calcite. So I have no idea what they might have been originally. Okay, those are some of our shells that are found in the rivers. But of course, there are no shell fish in the rivers, living shellfish, actual shellfish. These are pieces of, I found this in a bed of the same material, a pile of the same material that was broken up in a field, and it's obviously coral. This is another part of it. I've cut pieces off. It has some druzy in parts. Okay. These shells are pretty heavy. I don't know what they've been replaced with, or if it actually is a replacement, but I do believe in. Look at how shiny, how wonderfully beautiful this material is. Super heavy. These are pieces of, I don't know if you call them table rock It looks like a how do you call that? Where these shells were growing. This still has the, I don't know, knock, how do you pronounce it? Okay, that's another piece that has pieces of shell still embedded. It's basically clay. It's a clay material. This area is abounds with that type of material. Okay, there's another one that's interesting. Found in the river. It looks like a piece of stem, an old maybe stem that is inside of this structure, which I believe is a fossil. The middle ribbed line seems to be that of following the shape of that stem. Okay, they would be like an imprint, and on either side there's a network of lines. I don't know what I could call this, but it's really interesting, and I believe it's a fossil. Of what, I don't know. Another material is this piece found in the river, which has a leaf embedded inside. It was more apparent, the veins were more apparent, but I happened to drop it in an acid bath without realizing, and it stamped out some of the definition or the lines that define that material. But it's clearly a leaf. It's the leaf. It hasn't been replaced. It's organic, but it's caught inside of this material, which I have no, it looks frothy, like some kind of frothy material that has since petrified or solidified. Okay, this is some of the stuff that I thought you might want to see. As I said in the beginning, all this material was found in Haiti, in the Plateau Central Mountains, in the Tout-le-Monde or Mille-Balais area, which area is located hundreds of meters above sea level, in the middle area, in the middle of the country, not near any coast whatsoever, but it's coursed through by numerous rivers, and those materials were found close to these rivers and these rivers, and there are no living sea shells type animal actually found in those rivers. You do find fish though. Okay, that was it. This is Joleb Creations, Rocks of Haiti, and thank you very much.